Imagine that a company is like an airplane. Common stockholders are sitting in the economy. Bondholders are basically the bank that owns the plane. And preferred stockholders, well, they're in this weird business class seat. They're still passengers, not the bank. But they usually get treated better than common stockholders. That's what it's called, preferred stock. Preferred stock is an ownership in a company, just like common stock, but it usually comes with the special rights. The biggest one is dividends. Preferred shareholders often receive a fixed dividend, kind of like an interest on a bond. For example, if a preferred stock has a 6% dividend, the investor expects to receive that payment before common shareholders get their dividends. Here's the key difference. If a company pays dividends, preferred shareholders usually gets paid before common shareholders. And if the company is sold or liquidated, preferred shareholders usually have a higher claim on the company's assets than common shareholders. That does not mean they're guaranteed to get paid. Bondholders and lenders usually come first, but preferred stock is ahead of common stock in the line. So why doesn't everybody just buy preferred stock? Because preferred stock usually has less upside. Common stock can rise dramatically if the company becomes very successful. Preferred stock is more often focused on income and priority. Also, preferred shareholders often have limited or no voting rights. So you may get a better place in line, but less control and less explosive upside. So here is a simple definition. Preferred stock is a type of stock that gives investors priority over common shareholders, usually through fixed dividends and a higher claim on company's assets. It sits somewhere between common stock and a bond. More protected than common stock, riskier than a bond. And usually built for investors who care more about income and priority than voting power or massive upside. In plain English, preferred stock is not the owner's lottery ticket. It is the owner's reserved seat. If you like this explainer, click like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.